Hello everyone and welcome back to ML Takes, a channel dedicated to simplify machine learning and data science concepts for you. In today's video, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of machine learning and data science. We will explore the incredible potential of these technologies and their real-life applications that are revolutionizing the industries worldwide. Are you someone who is curious about how machine can work, adapt, and make predictions like never before? Have you ever wondered how can we make sense of the vast amounts of data surrounding us? Well, my friends, in today's video, we will be answering your burning questions and make you understand the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. Are you also confused about the types of machine learning and when should we use which one? Do you want to know how machine learning models work? Also, we will be discussing the essentials for you to start a career in machine learning and land your dream job in data science. Machine learning is not just a buzzword. It's a groundbreaking revolution that is transforming industries, powering innovation, and shaping the future. From autonomous vehicles to personalized recommendation, from medical diagnosis to financial forecasting, the possibilities are boundless. And what fuels this incredible journey is the lifeblood of machine learning, data. It's the age of information. We have abundance of data from a multitude of sources, social media, sensors, e-commerce transactions, healthcare records, and so much more. Let's start by looking at some of the real-life applications of machine learning. We all have experienced recommendation systems on online websites such as Amazon or Flipkart, where it suggests products you might be interested in based on your past purchase history and your spending patterns. Similarly, streaming platforms like Netflix and YouTube use machine learning algorithms to recommend movies and TV shows based on your watch history. Other applications of machine learning include predicting customer behavior patterns, such as predicting whether a customer will cancel a subscription or not. Large businesses use machine learning to analyze vast amounts of data, allowing them to identify trends and patterns that can help them make better decisions. We've also seen machine learning and artificial intelligence revolutionize industries like healthcare, transportation, and finance. For example, machine learning algorithms can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and efficiently, while self-driving cars use machine learning algorithms to recognize and respond to their surroundings. One of the most exciting advancements in machine learning has been in natural language processing, where algorithms can understand human language. One of the most impressive examples of this is ChatGPT, a language model developed by OpenAI that can answer questions, carry out conversations, and even write articles. Before we deep dive into the machine learning lifecycle, let's first clarify some terms that are often used interchangeably: machine learning, artificial intelligence, and deep learning. AI or artificial intelligence is like creating machines or computer programs that can think and make decisions just like humans. It's all about teaching computers to learn from data and experiences and use that knowledge to perform tasks or solve problems. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on teaching machines to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with multiple hidden layers to learn from data and improve performance. AI uses techniques such as machine learning, where computers learn patterns from data to make predictions or decisions. It can also involve deep learning, which is inspired by the human brain's neural network and helps computers understand complex concepts. Natural language processing is a subset of AI that focuses on teaching machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. AI is everywhere around us, from voice assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation systems that suggest movies or products we might like. It's also used in industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation to improve efficiency and make better decisions. So in short, machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that uses data to learn, and deep learning is a specific type of machine learning that uses neural networks, while NLP is a subset of AI that deals with human language. AI is about making machines smart and capable of doing things that usually require human intelligence. It's an exciting field that has potential to transform our lives and shape our future. Imagine giving computers the power to see and interpret the world like we do. With computer vision, we can teach them to recognize and understand images and videos. For instance, they can learn to identify various types of vehicles like cars, trucks, or motorcycles just by looking at pictures or videos. We can train computers to tell the difference between a dog and a cat just by analyzing images. By showing them a bunch of pictures of dogs and cats and teaching the unique features of each, computers can become experts at predicting whether an image contains a dog or a cat. During the training process, the computers learn to recognize patterns and extract meaningful information from the images. They become adept at identifying specific characteristics like they are commonly associated with dogs such as floppy ears, snouts, or waggling tails, as well as features that are typically found in cats such as pointy ears, whiskers, and graceful movements. Through advanced algorithms and techniques, the computers develop the ability to generate from the training data. This means that when presented with new, unseen images, they can make informed predictions about whether the image contains a dog or a cat based on the patterns and features they have learned. In image recognition, computers can also identify and analyze specific features of human faces. By training them with examples of faces, they can learn to recognize patterns like the shape of the eyes, nose, and mouth, allowing them to detect and categorize faces in images. This technology has various applications such as facial recognition for security purposes, organizing photo albums, or even adding fun filters to selfies. NLP has the power of making computers understand and talk to us in a natural way. ChatGPT is a smart application that can understand our questions, provide information, and make conversations with us, almost like talking to a real person. Again, there are some more use cases that are solely reshaping the businesses. Personalized recommendation, fraud detection, image recognition are just some of it. AI applications are transforming businesses by enhancing customer experiences, improving security, and enabling automation of tasks that were once time-consuming or error-prone. Now let's take a closer look at the different types of machine learning. The first type is supervised learning, where the algorithm is trained on labeled data and learns to make predictions based on that data. A very good example of this is predicting house prices based on factors like location, size, and number of bedrooms. So here in this figure, we can see that how a machine learning model is trained on a bunch of shapes with labels, and our model can accurately classify and predict the labels. The second type is unsupervised learning, where the algorithm is trained on unlabeled data and learns to group similar items together based on their features. A very good example of this is clustering, where an algorithm can group together pictures of different shapes based on their features and characteristics without being explicitly programmed. The third type is reinforcement learning, where the algorithm learns through trial and error basis by receiving feedback in the form of rewards or punishments. A good example of this is training a robot to perform a task by rewarding it for successful attempts and punishing it for unsuccessful ones. Okay, so now it's time to learn the most exciting concept of this video: how do machine learning models work? For that, let's take a closer look at the machine learning lifecycle. The lifecycle starts with the data collection and is an iterative process, even after deployment. Now let's discuss each and every step in detail. The first step in any ML project is to collect the relevant data. This can be done by web scraping, collecting data from databases, or even manually. For example, in a project to predict house prices, we can collect data on variables such as the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, location, and square footage of the property. The next step is to clean, pre-process, and transform that data so that it can be used for modeling. This involves removing missing values, handling outliers, and converting the categorical variables to numerical values. Techniques used here include data normalization, one-hot encoding, and feature scaling. Data splitting. In order to train and test our model, we need to split the data into training and testing sets. The training set is used to train the model, and the testing is used to evaluate its performance. Techniques used here include random sampling and stratified sampling. Model selection. This step involves choosing an appropriate algorithm or model for our task. For example, if we are predicting house prices, we can use regression models such as linear regression or decision tree regression. Other techniques used here include ensemble techniques and deep learning methods. This is an image which you will encounter very frequently whenever choosing the right algorithm for ML. Model training. Once we have selected our model, we need to train it using the training set. This involves adjusting the model's parameters until it learns to make accurate predictions. Techniques used here include gradient descent, backpropagation, and regularization. Model evaluation. After training, we evaluate the model's performance using the testing set. This involves measuring metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, and FN score. Techniques used here include cross-validation and confusion metrics. We will be discussing these metrics in depth in our next video along with examples and understand when to use which metric in detail. Model optimization. If the model performance is not satisfactory, we can optimize it by adjusting the hyperparameters or changing the algorithm. Techniques used here include grid search, random search, and Bayesian optimization. Model deployment. Once we are satisfied with our model's performance, we deploy it to the production environment. This involves creating an API or a web service that can take in new data and make predictions. So these are the steps involved in machine learning lifecycle. Each step requires different techniques and tools, but the overall process remains the same. By following this process, we can build powerful ML models that can solve real-world problems. If you are interested in pursuing a career in machine learning, you are stepping into an exciting and rapidly growing field. Machine learning offers countless opportunities to contribute to cutting-edge research, tackle real-world problems, and make a significant impact in various industries. To embark on this journey, it's essential to build a strong foundation in mathematics, statistics, and programming in Python or R. Understanding concepts like linear algebra, calculus, probability, and algorithms will be crucial in grasping the underlying principles of machine learning. Equally important is gaining hands-on experience by working on practical projects. Start by exploring open source libraries and frameworks like TensorFlow or scikit-learn and delve into coding machine learning algorithms from scratch. This will give you a deep understanding of how the algorithms work and help you develop practical skills in data pre-processing, model training, and evaluation. Continuing education and staying up to date with the latest advancements are vital in such a rapidly growing field. Explore online courses, attend workshops and conferences, and engage with the vibrant machine learning community. Collaborating with others, participating in Kaggle competitions, and contributing to open source projects will further enhance your skills and expand your network. Machine learning is constantly evolving and is changing the way we live and work. In the near future, we can expect to see more advancements in areas like autonomous vehicles, smart homes, and personalized medicine. And now, before we wrap up this video, I want to hear your perspective, guys. If you could apply machine learning to any aspect of your life, what would it be? Whether it's a problem you would like to solve, a task you would like to automate, or a new experience you would like to enhance. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your creative ideas might just inspire the next breakthrough in machine learning applications. So let's ignite the discussion and dream big together. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you learned something informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content related to data science and machine learning. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in the next adventure. Thank you.